Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, March 12th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Bob has a first name and a family name and a... Correct. Jennifer looks good. She is very... You got it. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Do you have a middle name? Do you have a middle name? Middle name. Many people in America and Canada have a first name, a middle name, and a family name. The full name is Robert John Wilson. Robert is his first name, John is his middle name, and Wilson is the last name. Now we can make a flashcard for middle name. Please write middle name up here in the top left corner. 2 words. Down here, CN1. This means compound noun, level 1. And over here the number 13 out of 15. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Middle name. Middle name. What about you? Do people in your country have middle names? Let me know in the comments. Now, number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is beautiful. Jennifer is beautiful. Beautiful. She is good looking. People enjoy looking at her. Now we can make a flashcard for beautiful. Please make a flashcard like this. Write be beautiful up here in the top left corner. We use be because it is an adjective. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. And over here the number 6 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Remember, the J in the IPA sounds like Y. Ya. Ya, ya. So this one is beau. Beau. Tit. Full. Beautiful. Game over. You did really well today. Please repeat. Bob's middle name is John. Perfect. And Jennifer is very correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Above a fire, you can see smoke. Very good. Jennifer's grandmother is very active. Yeah, she goes swimming every morning. And number 3 is to do something short. For example, to cut your hair. Short. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Put your language on the other side.